Hello, I'm Breya Castle. I'm a senior biology student at Oglethorpe University, and today I'm going to be sharing my story map. The course of the water, contamination infesting the Chattahoochee River in Metro Atlanta, Georgia. So first, I have a map of the United States and a marker showing where Georgia is on that map. It's a southeastern state. Next, I have a map of the Georgia counties. Outlined in red, I have Metro Atlanta, and then with the red marker in the middle, that's where Atlanta is. And Metro Atlanta contains over 6 million people, and the source of Atlanta and Metro Atlanta's water is from the Chattahoochee River. So the Chattahoochee River, as can be seen on this map, starts in the mountain range as a small stream, and it flows all the way down until the number 1 on the map, which is when it connects to the Flint River, which is not shown on the map, and then it flows into the Gulf of Mexico. The Chattahoochee River flows between 3 states, Georgia, Alabama, and Florida, and they all use the river as drinking water in areas that are close to it. The river is not only used for drinking water, but also for recreational activities, and the river is home to a variety of species of animals and reptiles. So the freshwater water issue that I'm going to be focusing on is contamination. Contamination is the act of making something impure by pollution and or poisoning. This is a problem in the Chattahoochee River, especially with the growing population of Atlanta and Metro Atlanta. So I have some pictures here of when I did my internship with the City of Atlanta Department of Watershed Management. I was in the wastewater lab, and all the water that we tested flowed into the Chattahoochee River. So the first 2 pictures are of the Chattahoochee River. I've also gotten 2 bacterial infections from swimming in the Chattahoochee River, which is another main reason why I wanted to focus on contamination. So here I have a Venn diagram of causes of freshwater contamination comparing Metro Atlanta to other urban areas, which, as you can see, a lot of the reasons are pretty much the same. I also have charts here about impacts on the environment and environmental justice, and I have some sites where if you click on these things, you can get to more information. So prevention measures that are being taken in this picture, we have combined sewer systems where sewage and stormwater both go into the river versus a separated sewer system. I know that the city of Atlanta and other Georgia governments are working hard to separate the sewer systems because combined sewage overflow is a big problem. And also they're starting to um, have stormwater treatment plants so that even stormwater doesn't go into our rivers. Other prevention methods are proper knowledge and teaching people how to properly dispose of both trash and liquids because a lot of chemicals get dumped into the river, not just litter. How can you get involved? Volunteer with Chattahoochee River Keepers. If you live in Georgia and have access to the Chattahoochee River, you can volunteer. The Chattahoochee River Keepers is our nonprofit organization that work on protecting and conserving the Chattahoochee River, and they have multiple headquarters throughout wherever the Chattahoochee River flows. Volunteering would include stream cleanups and collecting water samples for them to test the water in your area to make sure that it is safe to swim in. They also do educational meetups on why the river is important and what people can do to help. I want to give a big thank you to Extern for giving me this opportunity to do this externship. I've really enjoyed it. So thank you.